Hey everyone, today I'm changing out the air filter on my 2017 BMW R1200GS Rally, and I've tried to change this filter out before, actually removed it and checked it, and I find it kind of interesting, I guess, that I've got to remove all the body work, the front beak, fender, and the side covers, as well as the gas tank cover. And I've watched a few other videos, and in most of them, you only have to remove the gas tank cover. And the problem that I'm having is there's these tabs for the gas tank cover that interfere with getting the cover off for the air filter. So in order to do that, I've got to pull the bodywork away, and the only way I can do that really without fear of breaking anything is removing all this bodywork, and finally this last screw up here. It allows me the ability to move the bodywork far enough away so that I can get access to this filter cover. And I actually find this a bit ridiculous, that this model in particular, I guess, has this issue, and the airbox cover is virtually inaccessible unless you remove all this bodywork. So I've removed all the screws down here on the side bodywork, on the tank, on the bottom, and I just could not get enough room by trying to pull this apart without fear of snapping my bodywork. So it looks like I have to remove a few extra screws, and it just seems a little crazy to me, that BMW would design something like this and make it so difficult to remove this airbox cover for normal maintenance. And even in my manual for the Rally, it doesn't say anything about having to remove all the body panels and the front fender beak. But anyway, if anyone else is having any difficulty with this, I hope this is helpful to you. There's quite a lot of screws that have to be removed to get all this body work off of here, but I guess it's better than breaking your very expensive side panels for your GS. So anyway, that's what I'm doing, and I hope it helps someone else.